I'm going to show you the A330 flight from Azul Airlines from Brazil to Lisbon, a 9-hour flight. In economy class, there are comfortable seats. They offer a blanket and a pillow to be able to sleep comfortably. There is a video with flight safety measures. You can choose to listen to music or watch a movie. They offer 2 meals, dinner and breakfast, and free drinks. The bathroom is small, but it is well organized, and even has a socket to use, and has a toilet protector, and the soap is very fragrant. We had a bit of turbulence at night. It was a super peaceful landing. Thank you so much for watching. Like and